Greetings and welcome to Glodeanu.com, an online invoicing webpage. You can create an account, add the seller banking information, add users to view and add to your account's data, add services and/or products, add different client banking and miscellaneous information, create invoices, export them in PDF format, directly send the PDF invoices on your email, search for a previous existing invoice, export all your Glodeanu.com data into CSV format. In this second chapter, the password recovery will be presented. Kindly enter Glodeanu.com. Click on the Reset Password button in the upper menu. Fill in the email address for account reset field. Click on the Reset Password button. You will be prompted with a success message, the new password for your account and an email with your account's password. On the Glodeanu.com website, enter your credentials in the upper part of the page and click the Login button. Regards and take care from Glodeanu.com.